These are the boats that we have for boating and fishing. You can have a look at what we have in Lake Victoria for group tours and group boating. So fishermen also coming with a small canoe. The man is going fishing. It's quite early in the morning. The sun is just not yet up. And that is boating. Tourists, locals are invited to participate if they so wish on this boating and fishing expedition. This is on Lake Victoria, the second largest lake with fresh water in the world. Quite adventurous.